everybody, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. Today I will show you how to crochet this super cute little Christmas bell. The pattern is perfect for beginners. I will use only double crochet stitches and chains, and you can easily customize this bell to make it wider, narrower, longer or shorter. I will explain everything step by step. We will work in closed rounds from the top down, and the bell is worked as a one piece. The pattern notes are available in the box right below this video tutorial, and the written pattern is for free on my blog. So guys, let's get started. I will work with the yarn Violka, which is 100% cotton yarn, and I really love this yarn. I use it many times. In one ball there are 285 meters, 50 grams, and it's 50% premium cotton and 50% recycled cotton. I will work with the crochet hook 2.5 millimeters. You will need also a pair of scissors and sewing needle, and let me show you how it will start with the magic ring from the top as a one piece and working in closed rounds. So it's easy. Let's make a magic ring and then chain 3. Chain 3 at the beginning is my first double crochet. Then you will make 11 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. So all together you will finish the first round with 12 double crochet stitches. Chain 3 at the beginning is the first double crochet, and I will always close the round with a slip stitch in the third chain from the very beginning. So it's like a top of double crochet. Then let's close the round with a slip stitch, and then round number 2, and we will do increase. Let's chain 3, which is the first double crochet, 1 2 3, and then chain 1, and I will make a double crochet in each double crochet from the previous round. Chain 1 and again double crochet in next double crochet, and you will repeat it. Chain 1 and double crochet in the next double crochet. So easily speaking, you will make a double crochet in each double crochet from the previous round and make a chain 1 between double crochet stitches. I will meet you at the end, and let's start round number 3. I will do increase again. Chain 3 at the beginning is my first double crochet, and I will do increase in each double crochet from the previous round. So make 1 2 3, then double crochet in the same stitch, and chain 1. Again double crochet in the next stitch, and one more double crochet in the same stitch. So it's an increase, then chain 1 and increase in the next double crochet, so make 2 double crochet stitches in the same stitch and chain 1. So easily speaking, you will do increase in each stitch and chain 1 between 2 double crochet stitches. Close the round with a slip stitch, and now I will make a pattern which will be placed in chain 1 spaces. So we have to move by 1 and 2 slip stitch into the chain 1 space, then chain 3, which is the first double crochet, then double crochet in the same chain 1 space, chain 1, and let's make 2 double crochet stitches in the same chain space, 1 and 2, then chain 1, and let's skip next chain 1 space and make this V stitch in next chain 1 space. So 2 double crochets, chain 1, and 2 double crochets. Okay, I will call it V stitch so it's easy to remember. So V stitch consists of 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, and following by chain 1. Then skip next chain 1 space and work in next one and make a V stitch. 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, and then chain 1 again. Perfect. So easily speaking, make a V stitch in every second chain space and make chain 1 between V stitches. And again close the round with a slip stitch in the third chain from the very beginning and move by 2 slip stitches in the middle of the V stitch into the chain 1 space. And now I will make a V stitch in V stitch. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make double crochet in this chain 1 space, then chain 1 and 2 double crochet stitches in the same chain space, 1 and 2, then chain 2. We will increase the number of chains between V stitches. So chain 2, 1, 2, and make a V stitch in the V stitch from the previous row. So 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and 2, chain 1 and 2 double crochet stitches in the same chain space. Perfect. Chain 2, and let's repeat V stitch into the V stitch. And this is how you will continue. You will always make a V stitch into the V stitch, and you will increase the number of chains between V stitches. I will make 1, then 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I will finish with the chain 5 space, and then you can repeat the rounds. I will add 2 more rounds. So guys, let me show you how my bell turned out. There are 7 rounds with V stitches, and I will show you how to make last 2 rounds. Okay, so let's move in the middle of with the V stitch, and now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have together 7 double crochet stitches in the chain 1 space. Then chain 1 and make single crochet in next chain space, chain 1, and let's continue working on 7 double crochet stitches in next V stitch. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then chain 1 and make single crochet in next chain 1 space, then chain 1 and again 7 double crochet stitches. So let's repeat these instructions and I will meet you at the end of round and show you how to make the last round. Okay, here we are. Close the round with a slip stitch and then chain 3, which is first double crochet, chain 1 and then make double crochet in next double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet in next double crochet. So easily speaking, you will make double crochet in double crochet from previous row and chain 1 between double crochet stitches. Okay, so you will have again 7 double crochets, chain 1 spaces between them, and once you finish this group, you will chain 1 and slip stitch or single crochet in a single crochet from the previous row. Okay, so make single crochet and then chain 1. And now you will make double crochet in each double crochet and chain 1 between double crochet stitches. And this is it, my crochet friends. That's really cute crocheting, and this bell is super easy. You can customize it, you can make it a bit longer or wider. Perfect. Chain 1 and double crochet in double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet in double crochet, chain 1 and then single crochet in single crochet from the previous row. Perfect. And I really love to make the last row with my golden thread. You can do it, or it's fully up to you which color you like, or you can leave it as it is. I love this golden thread for the edge. So rejoin a new yarn, chain 1 and then make single crochet in each chain 1 space and single crochet in each stitch. So single crochet in chain space and single crochet in double crochet, perfect. This is it, and close the round with a slip stitch. Perfect. Then cut the yarn and fasten off, and we are done with this beautiful bell. You can use the end from the magic ring as a loop. Okay, let me measure. It's 10 centimeters, 4 inch, and this one after starching it has 11 centimeters, 4.3 inch. So this is it, and as you can see I chose the same pattern which I already used for the angel. So the angel dress is the same as for the bell, and I think it's a really nice pair of Christmas decoration which you can put on the Christmas wreath or on the Christmas tree or as a gift. So guys, this is it. I will starch the bell like this. How to starch the crochet project, you will find the separate video tutorial on my YouTube channel. I love to put the stuffing into the project and leave it for 1 or 2 days, and this is it. I love to put the Christmas decoration on the Christmas wreath like this. I already made the Christmas wreath and snowflakes. The video tutorials how to make the snowflakes is available on my YouTube channel, and the written pattern is for free on my blog. You will find more video tutorials how to make Christmas decorations, snowflakes, angels, bells, Christmas tree here on this YouTube channel, and also the written patterns on my blog. And the pattern notes to this video you will find in the box right below this video tutorial. There are also all links and my contacts. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. I really love to prepare video tutorials for you. If you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment right below this video tutorial. I love it. So please let me know how your Christmas bell turned out. Wish you really happy crocheting. Take care and bye for now. Bye bye.